Ingredients: dates 400 grams, cinnamon powder 1/8 of teaspoon, pistachio powder, coconut powder, grated or crushed walnut, and sesame seeds. Soak the dates in boiling water for 5 minutes in order to get soft, and it will be easier to peel them and remove the seed. If you are having a harder type of dates, boil them in boiling water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the dates and peel them and remove the seeds. Then mash them using a fork. Add the cinnamon powder and a pinch of grated or crushed walnut, and continue mashing them with the fork until you get a soft paste. Then start making small balls with the paste, and then roll the balls in each powder and set them aside and make the next ball. Use the bowl of water to clean your hands so that your hands is clean for the next bowl. The trifles are ready. If you like it harder, you can keep it in the fridge, or you can just keep it in the room temperature.